Sustainability isn't just a statement, but it's the data behind it. So normally, when you're doing product impacts, supply chain mapping is a main hurdle. However, for us at Stanley Stella, this was definitely not the case. From day one, we've been really adamant about knowing our supply chain. Then the second element is the data itself, right? And so for this, we needed really 1 full year to get everything right before we were confident to even release the product impact of those 10 proof of concept products, the Iconics 2.0. What we did was training calls with our suppliers, who by the way also had never done this before because there was no other brand asking for it. And then together with our third party, Green Story, we went on site to the factories in Bangladesh to validate the information. So now in 2025, we're expanding to additional products, covering additional ranges that we haven't covered before. If I were to summarize this LCA product impact journey we've embarked on, sustainability isn't just a statement, but it's the data behind it.